Most of us see soil as something under our feet. For a new generation of farmers, it's the most valuable thing on earth.
It's all about the soil and the animals. Everything we do is a heritage animal. Traditional breeds raised long before industrial farming took over. And every one of them has a job on this land. And that job always comes back to the soil. And the way these animals gently turn and fertilize it.
Every animal, every root, every rotation is part of a living system that impacts the health of the soil.
The goal is to let them inhabit this earth as if they would have 200 years ago without a human being doing anything. And they're capable of that.
By using the chickens and the pigs and composting and a lot of different things, after 6 or 7 years,
We had about 1.5 to 2 inches of topsoil that would grow everything.
They asked us to come in and look at a list of plants, and we're gonna go from establishment phase all the way to production. And they would like to create a organic fertilizer program that could sustain those stages, but be 100% organic. While we're learning more and more that it's not one thing, it's not one application or one pathway, it's the combination and getting all that to work in a cycle. The challenge is basically getting enough nutrients to support the yield that they're going to need, because this is not only going to be a wonderful property, it's going to be a beautiful garden space. You are going to have people that are here and they expect to have their amenities. These plants are their amenity. They actually want to come because they want their lifestyle to be healthier.
Yum.
We did a harvest yesterday for the dinner this Saturday. This is actually like one of my favorite parts of doing the garden. Because when we do these dinners, they start seeing the plants coming out, and you know, like all those vegetables came from the garden. It's exciting.
A conventionally grown plant grows fast. A regeneratively grown plant grows right.
This architecture, there's more points for fruiting, there's more leaf structure, there's more architectural branching in a smaller space. That becomes more nutrient dense, and that makes our food or the fruiting structure more nutrient dense. If we had less portion size with higher nutrient dense quantity, then basically it would still feed the same amount of people, but in a better way.
You've eaten some of the wasabinas, right?
No, I have not.
Oh,
Wow,
spicy mustard.
very, very crispy too. Each teaspoon of soil has thousands and thousands of native biologicals.
Thousands in a teaspoon. When that system is working, it doesn't just feed the plant, it feeds us.
It creates healthier soil, it creates better regeneration for them, and it creates healthier food for us.
The future of food is rooted in the past. Feed the soil, feed the world.